the lab exercise LE hash 81I. Okay, so this lab exercise. So first it is very important to understand. So first we'll plan how to draw this diagram. So this is looks very difficult, but it is very easy. So first I will draw this part only. Okay, and this part we can make it number of, this is one instant, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will rotate this part in 8 instances or 360 degree. I will rotate it 360 degree. Okay. So only you need to draw this part only. Now how to draw this part? See here. So first I will draw a center line, then this center line, then I will make this circle, and then this keyway slot. I will make everything. Then this center line I will offset here and here. Then this center line I will offset here. This much distance 0.65. So I'll get this point. Now I will draw the circle here and make two lines. Then this diameter is given. I will draw this circle 0.65. It is given. So I will draw this. So I will draw this part. And now this circle, how I can draw, I will show. For this arc, we need a center point, and how to get the center point from center. I will draw a line with this length 4.228 with an angle 22.5. Okay, and then I will get this point, and then I will draw this circle, and then I will use the trim command. Very easy. So this is a key slot where it is fixed on the shaft. So we need to understand what is the meaning of this keyway. So this is 1 by 4 by 3 by 30, 16. So this is in inch. We need to calculate. This all dimensions are in inch. This is 0.25 by 0.1875. Okay. So it is very easy. So we'll draw this drawing now. Now we'll start from the center line first. Okay. So start the AutoCAD as usual. Select the template ISO A3 name plot style. Okay. Then as I told you, the first 5 steps you have to do as I mentioned in previous drawing. Okay. These 5 steps you have to do every time whenever you start the new drawing or AutoCAD. So we'll go to this and we'll start x-axis and y-axis. So before that we'll select the limit, drawing limit. So from here to here the diameter is 6.5. Okay, 6.5, maximum 7 I can take it. Okay, and the precision is 4 zeros. After 0 there are 4 places, 0.18. So 4 zeros I will select. So go first. This is a black plane. So make grade on, ortho on. It will be very helpful. Then object to snap, select all. Okay, if it is there or not, you have to do this work. Then line annotation, modify dimension style. Yes, dimension style, and click modify. There are 4 zeros. I need 4 zeros. Modify and select 4 zeros. And already I explained this other part. Already I line, arrows, text. Only here primary fits and precision. Okay, so I select 4 zeros. Then go to the property, line properties, and check there are line OC again 3. So click other, and here 3. So these lines are deleting every time. So you have to add make confirm. These lines are there. Click on load, hit H for hidden, again load, C for center, then again load, dash for dashed. Okay, and the last load P for Python. Okay, so this line should be available, and we need this line during the drawing. Okay, now all setup is ready. Now we start the line. So I will click on line. See here the length is 2, 3, 4. I need 6. So 6 or 7, I will click it here near about 7, escape. Okay, then I will draw the center line from the midpoint. Yes, here is the midpoint. Go up and about 3 or 4. Then take the same line down. Don't redraw again. Why you necessarily increase? So this point is little above. Go there and make it red. So when it becomes red, click on that and click on the line. See here like this. Now there is a single point. You can see. Yes, this is a single point. We can use this as a center. Now center lines are there. So this and this, so this line and this line is there. Now I will draw the circle with a diameter 6.5. So click on circle with a diameter, circle and diameter, and click it here and enter 6.5. I want to, I will offset this, or this line I will offset this line, how much? 1.625. So select this line and click on offset 1.625, enter this side. Okay, then I will draw, I will select this line, or I will draw the circle, up to you. So you can draw this circle and trim it. So what is the size of this circle? It is given here. So this circle diameter is 0.5. Okay, the radius is 0.25. So you can use any option and draw the circle here. Okay, so we have the center point here. I will draw the circle with a diameter or radius and click it here. The radius is 0.25 or diameter is 0.5. Then I will make the line from here up to the circle. So select here and click it up to any length. I will trim it. Enter, repeat command. Enter. Okay, this line. Now I will trim it later on. Okay, so whatever I don't want, I will trim it. So I draw these two lines, this line and this line. I draw it. Okay, now I need to draw this line. Okay, so where is this given? Here it is given. See, this line at an angle of 45. Okay, same whatever I did here, same I will do at an angle of 45. So I will draw a line from this point. Now I will make it is an inclined line, so I will make it off, and now I will draw here any length. The angle is important. Any length, suppose say 4. Okay, tab to jump here, 36. I want to make it 45. So click tab tab on keyboard and type 45. Enter, escape. So same again, I will make this. Okay, same again, I have to draw the circle here and this. So how I make this offset? I make this offset here. Here I can't make this offset to get the center point. So what can I do? What I will do the circle from this point and from this point. See, then I got the center point. Same I will copy this or redraw. No need copy. Select, click here and write 0.25 radius. Yes, and then I will make this line offset 0.5, 0.25 up and down. Okay, so click this line, offset 0.25, that is a radius of circle. Enter this side and this side. This side no need, but we will keep it. So this line is very long. I will make it small. It is disturbing. So during that you need to make effect on. This should be on. So I will click it here. Disturbing to me. I will click it here. Okay, now I have this. Now I can develop, I can draw down or up, doesn't matter. So I can draw this part or this part, doesn't matter. I can draw here or there or no problem. If I draw up or by mistake, I will make it select this circle and make it mirror about this line. Click on this line anywhere. Yes. Do you want to delete? Yes. See, same. I draw here or here, it will be same. No problem. Okay. Then part I will trim it. It is looking confusing, so I will select it and trim. So really, I don't want this line. Enter. I don't want this line. Really, I don't want this line. I don't want this circle. I don't want this circle. Outside also it is confusing to me. Yes, center line, keep it there. Okay. So this was confusing to me. So this I will delete it. Unnecessarily line remaining. Yes. Now I want this line and half of this arc. Again half of this arc and this line. Then I will delete all. Okay. I will trim it, or I don't want this line. I will delete it. Delete. I don't want this outside line. Delete. Okay. So here I am going to draw this part. Now here I need to draw the arc. Where is the center? Here. So how I can draw? This line I will draw. From center point, I will draw this line. What is the angle? 22.5. 22.5. Okay. And length is 4.228. So click on line. Click on line. What is the starting point? Here. Make ortho of. And now see. How much length? 4.228. Now jump 22 here. So tab on keyboard and write here 22.5. Class. I got this center point now. This end point is the center point for that circle. So I will draw the circle. Now this circle I will draw. What is the radius of this circle? R13328. So radius of circle is written here 328. Okay. So I will draw the circle from this center. Circle. Click it here. And what is the radius? 1.328. 1.328. Enter. Color. See now. What I need. Now I will keep this. I will start circle from here like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and rest part I will delete it. Okay. So click here and click here and click on trim. Trim. So what I don't want? I don't want this. Don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay. Then I don't want this. Let's see. Then I don't want this. Then I can, yes, escape. Now whatever I don't want, I will delete this. This I don't want, delete. Then this circle I don't want, delete. Even this line I don't want, delete. But this line I don't need. Understand? So this line, there is no line here. This is a dimension line. Okay. So this is not a object line. So I don't need this line here. See. Okay. So I will trim this. So click here and click trim and just here. Even I don't need this line, I will delete it. Yeah, this line also. Now this object I will select it and I will make how many instances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 instances. 1, 2, 3, 8. So there is a command, it is called array. So there are two types of array. One, a linear array in x-axis and y-axis, horizontal or vertical, and one polar array, circular and linear, x and y direction. So what is meant by array? Making a single atom in X direction, number of atoms we can make it, or in Y direction, we can make a lot of circles here, 8, 9, 10, any instances. And what is polar array? Polar array, a single instant, we can make it radially, 7, 6, 8, how many instances you want, you can make it. Okay, so let us see the array command. Okay, so first I will show you where is the array. See here, this is array. This is a rectangular array, or it is called linear array, rectangular array, and we want polar array. Polar means in circular, rectangular means in X and Y direction, rectangular, and this is in defined. You can define the path, and in that you can get the array. So I will select a circular array, polar array, click on that. Okay, then select the object. I will select from here to here. This is a polar object. Enter. When selection is finished, click enter. Then read here. Specify the center point of array. What is the center of this ring? So this is a center point. Click center point. Then he will ask, yes, see how many instances done. Angle. If you want to change the angle, you can change the angle. You can change the rotate atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And how many I need here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8. So how many showing? 6, because here it is 6 showing 6. I will make it 8. See now. Okay, if you make it 8, all is matching now, and you can say exit. Very simple. So again, I will repeat this array command. Just Control Z for undo, Control Z for undo, and I will repeat the array command. Okay, so click on array here. You will find polar array. Okay, then read here. Select the object what you want from here to here. I want. Okay, when selection finished, click enter. Then specify the center point of array. Okay, so what is the center point? Here, I want to rotate about this. Then see here. Now atom, how many atoms you want? 8. If you have angle, you can put the angle. See now 45 automatically change. If you put angle, the number will be changed automatically. If you put the number, angle will be changed automatically. If you want only half circle, we can put 180. So this is okay. So similarly, we have different type of array. We will see depending upon the application. Okay. So this is drawing is finished now. Just click enter for exit. Click enter for exit. Yes. Now there is a one circle and another circle. So what is the radius of this circle? It is a diameter is given 0.175. So click on circle. Click on circle. Sorry, not circle. Circle diameter. Select here. Enter 1.75. Enter 1.75. Finish 1.75. Then another circle. Another circle is this. So what is the radius of this circle? It is written here diameter 1, radius 0.5. So click on circle. Center point is here and asking diameter. Diameter is 1. Enter. Now the most important part, key. How I can make this key. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? 0.1/4. 1/4 means 0.25. Okay. 0.25 and by 16 is 0.8. So this distance is 0.25 and this height is 0.1875. Okay, so I need to make this. How? Now what I will do, I have the center line. I will offset this center line here and here half of this 0.125, and then from that I will get the vertical line, and then I will join the, select this line, click on offset, and what is the distance? Half of 25, 0.125. This side, and again same line this side. See, I got the distance between two lines is 0.25. Okay. Now this line starts from here and end here. So what is the length? What is the length of this line? So what I will do, I will draw a line from this point to this point, or like this, and I will offset this line 0.1875. 0.1875. So select this line, offset 0.1875, enter, up or down, up, class. So I will select this part and trim. I don't want up, I don't want up, I don't want down, I don't want down, I don't want this circle, I don't want this circle, this I can delete it. Okay, you can delete it. Delete. Class. This line I will delete it unnecessarily. This part is finished. Now what is remaining? This is done, 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 done. Everything is done. Now just give the dimension and close. So how to give the dimension? Already I explained. Change the dimension style and check first dimension. Change the color yellow. And now first I will give you the diameter. This is a full circle. So I will give the diameter for this circle. I will mark it here like this. Then another, just enter and give the, for this you can give the diameter here. Okay, so two circle finish. Now I will go to the radius. Click on this here and radius. This, what is the radius for this? 1.328. Now diameter, one more. Diameter, what is the diameter of this? 6.5. Click on linear, and from here to here 0.5. What else? This is done. No of this. This one is done. This is done. This is done. Now and angle. Angle is remaining. There is a line missing from this point, so I will go and I will draw the line, a small line, to show the center point. Yes, this is the line, and this will show you the center point. Yes. So make the dimension, this line, make the dimension linear from this point to this point, 1.625. Okay, then I want to show the angle. So what I will do, I will make a one line from this point and this center. So here I will show you the angle, and I can make it center line. Another line I need to draw from here to mid of this, escape, and then I will make it as 45. So this angle, so now I will go angular and select this line and select this line and keep it here 23.5. Why? Because I didn't change the precision for angle. Dimension style, annotation, dimension style, modify, here precision 00, and for angle also, yeah, see here, angular dimension precision. So make 2 zeros or 3, depends on your value, close. See now, it is converted to angle and degree. If you want fraction, but written is wrong, so right click, property, and check here, down. Yes, here it is showing angle format. So decimal and degrees. See, correct. Decimal and degrees. Understand? See here now. Escape. Same way I will select this line and I will make an angle. So angle between this line and this line is 45. See, it is showing correct. Close this. So finish all. The dimension should not intersect. So take this inside here like this. Take this little away. Yes, good. Should not intersect each other, the dimension line. This line should be a center line by layer. And now I will change the line type. Select this line, select this line, select this line, and make it center line. This line also center line. Okay, for circle. This also center line. You can make it center line. Is a center line. Right click property, and it is a center line. And take the scale 0.5. This looks good. Escape. Now, what else? Yes. Finish. All the drawing is finished. So similarly, you can draw this drawing. Now this is missing here. How I can make it? So there is a new command leader. Okay. So how to do that? I will tell you now. Dimension, in dimension you will get it. Yes, leader. So click on leader. How it looks. See now here. Leader. Okay. Click here. Where you want. Click it here. Anywhere here. Then come out and type. Click here. Then he's asking what you need to type. So you can type here 1/4 x 3/16. Type keyway, always capital. KEYWA, keyway. Okay. Enter. Escape. Yes. Okay. See now here. So this not looks good. This is a leader and it is intersecting. So what can I do? I can select this, go to the property, right click property, and write dimension text, height, width, rotation, space, line spacing, distance, leader line by block, arrow size. So I can change the arrow size. This arrow size I can change from here. Leading distance, landing distance. So this is a text I want above. Width, see rotation 0, line spacing factor, line background at least horizontal. See here, left attachment, middle, make it above. See, it is changing. Okay. Then right attachment under. So I can say middle. Say like this, I can change. Middle, bottom. I will make it bottom. Okay. You can see here now. This looks good. What is given in the drawing? It is like that only. So I can change. How I can change? From right click property and here middle on the top, left attachment, right attachment, check. What is given as it is, you need to draw. So click here and here, escape. See, looks good. Close. And now double click. I want to edit it. There is a space here. I will delete it. Yes, there is a lot of space here. Escape. This looks good. Colors. Okay. File. Save as first time. File. Save as. Go to your drive. I have the folder, my folder in F drive. So this is my ID ENGT101, and we are going to do drawing number 1I. 1I. Lab exercise 8, question number 1I. Okay, save.